Welcome to the course of problem solving. Problem solving is a crucial skill that plays an integral role in both personal and professional lives. This course will explore essential concepts and strategies related to problem solving, focusing on developing a scientific attitude, applying problem-solving techniques, and making informed decisions for effective solutions. What is a problem? A problem can be defined as a situation where there is a gap between the current state and the desired state. This gap creates a challenge that must be addressed through systematic thinking and problem-solving methods. As Richard Bach famously said, "Every problem has a gift for you in its hands," highlighting the potential for growth and opportunity within problems. Types of problems. 1. Probopportunity, a blend of the words problem and opportunity, emphasizing that problems are often opportunities for improvement and growth. 2. Actual versus desired state, problems often arise from the recognition that the present situation does not meet desired objectives. 3. Imperfect present versus ideal future, problems emerge when there is a belief that improvement is possible, thus pushing one toward potential solutions. Approaches to dealing with problems. Robert Harris to approaches to problem solving. Stop-it approach, aimed at preventing the problem from occurring, eliminating it, or reducing its impact. 1. Prevent, taking measures to ensure the problem doesn't occur in the future, example, using preventive care. 2. Eliminate, solving the problem completely by addressing its root cause, example, fixing a leaking tank. 3. Reduce, minimizing the impact of the problem, example, reducing the pressure on a leaking tank. Mop-it approach focuses on managing the effects of the problem. 1. Treat, repairing the damage caused by the problem, example, mopping up water and fixing a damaged floor. 2. Tolerate, accepting the consequences of a problem and implementing measures to endure it, example, installing a drain to cope with a leak. 3. Redirect, redefining the problem to make it seem less of an issue, example, considering a leak as a beneficial source of humidity. 4. Ignore, ignoring trivial problems that do not significantly affect one's work or life. The role of scientific attitude in problem solving. A scientific attitude is essential for effective problem solving as it promotes rational thinking, objectivity, and openness to new ideas. Key attributes of a scientific attitude include: 1. Faith in cause and effect relationships, recognizing that problems often have identifiable causes that can be corrected. 2. Objectivity, remaining unbiased and focusing on facts rather than personal feelings or external influences. 3. Empirical evidence, relying on data and verified information to make decisions, rather than assumptions or hearsay. 4. Open-mindedness, being willing to reconsider old beliefs and entertain new perspectives. 5. Critical thinking, analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating information objectively to arrive at the best solution. Developing a scientific attitude for problem solving. To cultivate a scientific attitude, individuals can: 1. Engage in discussions, share experiences and discuss problem-solving approaches with others to encourage critical thinking. 2. Participate in debates. Debating encourages logical reasoning, listening skills, and the ability to form and counter arguments. 3. Brainstorming. Generate creative ideas and solutions in a collaborative environment. 4. Logical reasoning exercises. Practice inductive and deductive reasoning to enhance analytical skills. 5. Root cause analysis. use the 5 whys technique to explore the fundamental cause of a problem. 6 cause and effect flow charts visualize the relationships between problems and potential causes. 7 Pareto charts identify and prioritize factors contributing to a problem to focus on the most impactful solutions. SWOT analysis for problem solving. SWOT analysis is a valuable tool for identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in a given situation. By understanding these factors, individuals can devise strategies to address problems more effectively. Applying SWOT for problem solving. For instance, let's explore the problem of lack of motivation in distant learners. 1 Strengths: previous knowledge in the course, self-learning materials available. 2 Weaknesses: lack of confidence, isolation from peers, and difficulty understanding course content. 3 Opportunities: flexible learning time and location, access to various media for self-study. 4 Threats: limited access to the library, distractions from social commitments. After identifying the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, learners can develop strategies too. 1 Leverage strengths, example, utilizing prior knowledge in a study routine. 2 Overcome weaknesses, example, participating in online study groups to reduce isolation. 3 Take advantage of opportunities, example, using available online resources for flexible study. 4 Address threats, example, managing time to avoid distractions. Decision-making process in problem solving. Effective problem solving often requires sound decision-making. The decision-making process involves several stages. 1 Problem identification, recognizing and defining the problem clearly. 2 Generating alternatives, brainstorming possible solutions to the problem. 3 Evaluating alternatives, weighing the pros and cons of each alternative solution. 4 Selecting the best solution, choosing the most effective solution based on evaluation. 5 Implementation, putting the chosen solution into action. 6 Monitoring and adjusting, evaluating the effectiveness of the solution and making necessary adjustments. Activities for learners. 1 Real-life problem-solving exercise. Choose a common problem you face and apply the decision-making process to find a solution. 2 SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis of a personal or professional challenge. 3 Group discussion. Participate in a group discussion on a problem-solving scenario to encourage collaboration and diverse perspectives. 4 Critical thinking. Engage in debates on a controversial topic to develop analytical thinking. Conclusion. Problem solving is a vital skill that involves critical thinking, creative solutions, and effective decision-making. It's essential to remember that problem solving is not a one-time event but an ongoing process. As Professor Jeff Malpass suggests, no problem is ever totally solved, and every solution presents new challenges. Successful problem solving involves continuous adjustment, recognizing unintended consequences, and striving for continuous improvement. This course aims to empower you with the tools and mindset needed to approach and solve problems effectively, both in your professional and personal life.